Yeah man, you can see we spot me there. So I'm in the toll gate area, as you can see the sign. So I'm giving a tour from the toll gate side, go to Williamsfield in Manchester. So yeah man, so big up on yourself anyone now watch from here and abroad, big up on yourself. Just keep in tune for the video. Yeah man, one love and one heart. See that? Clarendon Park, Porus, Maypen, Williamsfield, Milk River. So when you see that sign there, you also want to stop light on the road. So you make the left turn if you want to go to Williamsfield. So yeah man, so I keep on up to date. Yeah man, all my Jamaican people, everybody over the world, we long to come to Jamaica and see what I go on. So big up on yourself again. Now stop bigging up because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I have